Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be doing a project and making our own nail polish. So if you enjoy watching videos on how to DIYs and kits, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Today's video is brought to you by Tailor-Made Polish. They went ahead and sent me this free kit, and now I'm going to share all of that with you guys. So go ahead and follow them on Instagram. So I'm going to start out just by showing you guys everything that comes in the kit. While I'm showing it to you, we'll chat a little bit about it. Basically, I was super excited to receive this as PR because I feel like once you've done your nails at home, you've collected nail polish, the next evolution is making your own custom nail polish. So this is my sticker from TaylorMade, Make Your Own Polish. And then they include 3 recipe cards as well as metallic pigments. I asked for the Cosmos set, and that's the concentrated liquid that gives it its opacity. I asked for the Cosmos set, so metallic stuff. That purple bottle is the base. So we'll be making metallic polishes, and then that's our pretty much part of our placement. That circle is where you're supposed to keep your little stirring cup and your little stirring stick so that you're not risking a mess on the outside. Like you have time to catch it if anything falls over. And then I want to spread out those recipe cards so you can see it's 3. Also, it's not just a kit for stuff that you can actually do and use, but they also include pamphlets that should help you adjust your colors, give you a little background information on color theory, how to mix it. It even comes with like 3 recipes that you can tried and true, mix it to their specifications, and get a great result. So there's the recipes on the back for Cosmic Crush. And then, of course, they've got a table of contents, how to, extra tips, what's in your kit, all types of information so that you're not just jumping into it head first with no idea of what to do. I really, really, really like that part. And there's even a little checklist at the bottom, making sure that you followed all your proper steps. Also, TaylorMade also on their website has like a master class on color mixing so that you can get that info. And then if you're concerned with it, it is 10-free formula, vegan, cruelty-free, gluten, so all of that good stuff. And then, of course, you get a thank you card because I did not know that this was a veteran-owned business. So that makes it even more special to me because I feel like how awesome is it to support a business owned by someone that fought for our country. So I'm looking at the inside of the kit and I'm setting it up. So I've got my placemat, I've got my little circle mat, I've got my cup, my scoop, my stirring, my funnel, and sorry, that's my timer for dinner. So we're going to pause here. I'll be right back. And that is the awesomeness of being able to edit. So I just pulled out the pigments, I pulled out the concentrates, and I've got my recipe cards and a pencil. I'm showing you guys the bottles because they do come in this cute little clear carrying case in case you want to mix these up for a friend and give them their own custom-made polish. So we're starting out with a little less than 10 milliliters of base. And in the end, I probably should have done like maybe a little more than 10 milliliters. And then I'm just taking the scoop and going into the pigment. You want your pigment scoops to be level, just like with cooking. And then you don't want to do more than 3 scoops because then you'll get gloopy polish. And we don't want that. We just want the awesomeness of the pigments. So I'm writing down that it's a little less than 10 milliliters. And then I'm writing down what pigment I used and how many scoops that I used, so that if I ever want to recreate this polish for another bottle or for a friend, I've got that info. And I don't even know why I'm bothering with the date, but I feel like I should. So now you guys know that the video was pre-recorded, but the voiceover was done later. And I've got the concentrates, and I'm not sure which one to do because yeah, I dropped the top in there. Um, but I'm not sure like how many drops of what to do. So, because I'm just kind of winging it for this first bottle to have fun. So I did one black, one white, and we're going to go ahead and stir. Now, guys, you do want to stir until it is thoroughly mixed. I can't stress that enough because once it's bottled, it's really not going to stir itself up anymore. They do come with the little stainless steel beads, but you still want to stir thoroughly before you bottle it. Also, so that you can know exactly what your polish is going to look like. So, I am stirring and stirring off camera, and then I decided that I wanted the polish a little bit darker, so we go in with another drop of the black concentrate, and I keep doing like one drop at a time because again, it's a lot like cooking. Once it's in there, you can't take it back. So I've been extremely careful to do only one drop at a time and to make sure that I'm writing it down as I make my adjustments to my custom formula. And I can't stress enough how excited I was during this whole process. So if there's any footage missing, it's because I was super hyped and could not help myself because I've never like really customized a polish from beginning to end. And yes, I'm on the side painting in the little fingers on the mat because I know that the line on the circle acts as an opacity checker for you. Once you draw the line across the circle, it lets you know about how opaque your polish is. So once I was satisfied with my opacity and my color, yes, I am. I'm super hyped about this. Um, I started pouring into the funnel, which interesting and awesome part of this kit is you get 3 cups, 3 stirrers, 3 funnels, 2 scoops. So you don't have to try to clean out the cup and recycle it unless you want to. You don't have to clean out the funnel and recycle it unless you want to. And you don't have to put any like nail polish remover on the wooden stick and try to salvage it unless you just want to. So I'm really feeling that because I wasn't super hyped when I made the other nail polish about cleanup. I wasn't excited about it. But this makes it super easy. So as you guys can see, I probably should have done a little bit more than 10 milliliters because I didn't use that much liquid concentrate or pigment. So now we've got the formula, we've got the polish. It is time to swatch it. So I am swatching it on my finger and I am in love with this color. Like it's bronzy and coppery at the same time. So it's like a little copper penny color. And I think it's so cute. Not that my friends who are makers haven't done it better. I'm just excited because it's mine and I made it myself. So there's this level of achievement that is making me almost insanely happy because I made this. I did this. That sense of accomplishment cannot be replaced. But I'm actually going to be grabbing more of these kits. I decided as I was swatching my nails that I had so much fun that I really needed more of these. So the cool thing about this is it's a great gift as we're going into the gift giving season for your Manistas or Lacaristas who have all the polish. It's also a great party idea. Even with social distancing, they do have party kits that you can order, and then you can like just send those out to your friends and have a Zoom mani party. Yeah. So it's a great way to spend some time together and enjoy creating things for yourself. I figured it would be awesome to share with you guys considering the fact that we all do our own nails. So that is it for me. I loved this kit. I will be sharing my swatches on my Instagram, and I'll probably be doing some cream ones as well. If you are part of my nail fam, thank you so much for your time. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like it down below so we can do more. As always, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in my next video.